I found that photo in the sofa, and it's from way back in '01. So I guess there's much I never told you, like who I am, who I love, where I've been and where I came from. Grew up on 913 of Blue Rock, memories of 6 kids running around those halls. Then out in the California sunshine, we wore no shoes through alley-oops and shattered windows, throwing baseballs. Mom packed me a brown bag every day, from 5 years old up to 18. A note that said I love you XO, and all my friends there beg.
If I'm feeling it, then I don't stand a chance.
May I have your attention, please?
Then I don't stand a
This is information for all tourists.
One last ticket before it's gone, one last summer before it's fall. Tune your strings and play your cards. Little words hit me like a game of darts, and you're